I'm so glad you made it back to another episode of Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Thank you for coming. Well, today I'm making something that's the seasonal treat. Because guess what? It's pumpkin pie spice season. And I'm gonna make an impossible pumpkin pie. I've made an impossible pie before, but never a pumpkin pie. So an impossible pie is basically you pour everything into a glass pie dish and it turns into a pie. Basically, it makes its own crust while it bakes. Let's get started. You need a blender and you need to start by putting a whole can of pumpkin puree in there and a can of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of Bisquick. I love Bisquick. 2½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I just blend it for 1 whole minute. Now you just pour it into your greased pie plate, and we're gonna put it in the 350-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. It's out of the oven, looks great. I've let it cool, and now I'm ready to slice it and eat it. It's all finished. Doesn't it look good? Yes. Let's eat. It's definitely the texture of pumpkin pie. It tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. This was so simple. It really did kind of form a little bit of a crust. Wow. This impossible pie is dynamite. Like the video and subscribe to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. How do you fix a broken gourd with a pumpkin patch?